Alright, so whenever I'm working with my router, I always try to take the least amount off every time, because these things are dangerous, and if you try to take off too much wood at one time, they're even more dangerous, because they're really pulling this high-speed motor. I mean, this is like, I'm not sure what the RPM, 10,000 RPMs, really fast. A lot of torque on this. And so, so I put my bit in just past the surface. Oh, it looks like 1/4 of an inch, but then I place my light in, and it looks okay, but it's just a little above flush. So I think what I'm going to do is drop that bit down just a little bit more, and you see all these, everything gets pronounced out here, right? When this little edge right here that it wasn't perfectly round gets pronounced out here, which I don't care. No one's really going to see that, but I'm going to drop down, increase the depth on my bit, and run it around again. See you in a bit.